All AC parts are important, but knowing what materials your drain line should be made of can save you from a big headache. So, when it comes to AC drain lines, you usually see two main materials: clear hose and white PVC pipe. Clear hose is awesome because you can actually see if there's a clog or buildup inside, which helps you catch problems early. White PVC pipe is more durable and can handle higher pressure, so it's great for longer runs or situations where the drain line has to be rigid and sturdy. If you're installing or fixing a drain line yourself, make sure the pipe slopes downward so water flows out easily without pooling. Also, don't forget to clean the drain line regularly by flushing it with a mix of water and vinegar or bleach to stop mold and algae growth. Using a drain pan under your AC unit can catch leaks before they cause damage. When connecting the drain line, use proper fittings and sealants to avoid leaks and keep everything tight. Lastly, avoid using old or cracked hoses because they can cause water damage if they fail. One of the biggest mistakes with AC drain lines is using the wrong material for the job, like a flexible hose in a spot where rigid PVC is needed. This can lead to sagging and clogs, so switch to PVC for better support. Another common issue is having the drain line installed without a proper slope, causing water to pool and overflow. Fixing this means adjusting the angle so water flows smoothly out. Lastly, many folks forget to clean their drain lines regularly, which leads to mold buildup and blockages. Flushing your drain line every few months with a safe cleaning solution can keep things running clean and clear. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors connect with folks needing their services, making it easier to get work done right without the stress.